completed till exercise number 4 second bit. So today we are going to start third problem. Now what is your third question is, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 55 degrees every hour. Now what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means the actual room temperature is 40 degrees, but the rate of temperature is lowered for every 1 hour is 5 degrees. So you need to check for 10 hours. After 10 hours, what will be the temperature of room temperature? So first statement will be initial room temperature. Initial room temperature is how much? 40 degrees. Now what they are telling? For every hour it is lowered for 5 degrees. So you need to write rate of room temperature to be lowered for every 1 hour equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Actual room temperature is 40 degrees and your room temperature for every hour it is lowered means decreasing 5 degrees Celsius. Now you need to check after 10 hours what will be the actual temperature. Now first hour room temperature is, first what is your room temperature is 40 degrees, but every hour it is decreasing with, it is means subtracting. For every hour it is lowered for 5 degrees. So we need to subtract 5 degrees from your actual room temperature. Now 40 degrees minus 5 degrees is how much? 35 degrees Celsius. This is your first hour. Now we will check for second hour. Second hour room temperature is, what is your first after temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and you need to decrease with 5 degrees Celsius. Now you will get 30 degrees Celsius. Now next is your third hour. Third hour means you need to consider 30 degrees Celsius and minus 5 degrees Celsius. So what you will get? 30 minus 5 degrees Celsius is for your third hour. Now we will check for fourth hour. Fourth hour room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius. We will get 20 degrees Celsius. Now next we will check for fifth. Now next we will check for fifth hour. Fifth hour is 20 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius is your 15 degrees Celsius. Now next we will check for sixth hour. Sixth hour is 15 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius is your 10 degrees Celsius. Now next is your seventh hour. Seventh hour is 10 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius. It will become 5 degrees Celsius. Now next is your eighth hour. 5 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius. For 8th hour your degrees is your 0 degree Celsius. Now 9th hour. For 9th hour is 0 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius. Your 0 is positive 0 degrees and here you can see minus 5 degrees. So 0 minus 5 is 5. But here 5 is greatest number. So what sign you can see? Minus sign. So we need to keep negative sign here. Your answer for 9th hour is minus 5 degree Celsius. Now next is your 10th hour. 10th hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 5 degree Celsius. Here you can see both are negative. Both are negative means what we need to add. 5 plus 5 is how much? 10 degrees Celsius and you need to keep negative sign. Now what is your room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degrees Celsius. This is your solution for third problem. Now next is fourth solution. Now next fourth problem is in a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions? 10 questions. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. There are totally how many questions? 10 questions. 3 marks are given for every one correct answer. Means correct answer. 1 mark, one correct answer is 3 marks. Now next, and minus 1 mark for every incorrect answer. Minus 1 mark is for every one incorrect answer. Now next, and 0 for questions not attempted. 0 marks for not attempted any question. And here you can see first question in that first one. Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 are incorrect. Now what is his score means? Here you can see total 10 questions he attempted. Okay. Now but in that 5 questions are correct. 5 questions are correct. Now for correct how many marks they are giving? 3 marks. For correct answer is 3 marks. And again what they are asking? 5 questions are incorrect. Is 15 marks you got for corrected. Now next 5 are incorrect. Incorrect means how many marks they are deducting is minus 1. You need to multiply with minus 1. Now 5 ones are 5 and here you can see negative sign is minus. Now here they are asking you what is this score means you need to subtract your total correct answers minus and your how many are incorrect. Now what will be your answer? 15 minus 5 is your. Now 15 minus 5 is how much? 10. 10 marks is given for your Gopi. That is your first one. Now next is second. Rashmika gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is the score? 7 are corrected. For 7 correct, how many marks are given? 3. 7 3 is 21 marks. Now next is 3 marks and 3 are incorrect. 3 are incorrect means what you will get? 3 into minus 1. Now you will get 3 minus 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 ones are 3 and minus 3. 3 incorrect means how many marks they are giving? Minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus into minus 3 ones are 3. Now here you need to minus corrected questions minus incorrect. So 21 minus 3. Now how many marks are given for Reshma is 18 marks. Now next is your third one. Rashmi gets 3 correct. Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. Now what is her score? Out of 10 questions she attempted only 7 questions, but in that 3 are correct. 3 are correct means 3 into for correct how many are giving? 3 marks. 3 3s are 9. Now next what they are telling? 4 are incorrect. For incorrect what their marks they are giving? Minus 1. So 4 into minus 1. 4 ones are 4 and plus into minus is minus sign. Now what we are doing? We need to subtract from corrected questions minus incorrect. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. She attempted only 7 questions. From that she got only 5 marks. Now this is your solution for fourth one. Gopi gets 10 marks and Reshma gets 18 marks and Rashmi gets 5 marks. Only she attempted for 7 questions, not 10 questions. She attempted for only 7 questions. For that she got only 5 questions. Thank you.